Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. After a long time period, Shiba Inu has broken out a very long-term channel. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next targets and what can be the next move of Shiba Inu. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can observe that the price line of Shiba has broken out this channel after a very long time period. It was entered the channel here on 27th of October 2021 and broke out here on 6th of Feb. And if I place this measurement tool, then we can see that after more than 102 days, it has broken out this resistance of the channel. And in the meanwhile, we had different fake outs as well, like here the price line found a resistance, and that was in fact the formation of the falling wedge. We had a breakout, but the price line continued to move to the downside. Here it found another resistance, broke out, but could not continue the move, and then found another resistance. And this was the last resistance that the Shiba Inu recently has found. And after that, the price line has broken out the resistance, this resistance, and the resistance of this down channel as well. And this time, there is a very high probability if the price line breaks out this key resistance, then it can continue its move for the long term to the upside. We can see that previously when this rally, this major rally of Shiba Inu was started, it was strongly rejected by this key resistance of $0.000033. And after some accumulation below this resistance, the price line finally broke it out here at the end of October 2021. And during this move to the downside, here it worked for a while as a support. And after this breakdown, here it worked as a resistance once again and dropped down at a key support. This is the key support because after this rally, when we were rejected, we found the support here. And again, during this very big drop, we again found a support here at $0.000020. And from here, after some accumulation above this support, finally it broke it out here on 6th of Feb. And right now, it is again reached this key resistance. And in my point of view, once the price line breaks out this resistance, it can start the next rally, a very powerful move, and it can hit the next resistance. And after breaking out the next resistance, it can reach the final resistance of $0.000080. And after breaking out this final resistance, Shiba can once again start another very long-term rally like we had here. But before that, we need to break out this resistance of $0.000033. And in my opinion, if we will have a closing, preferably on the daily time frame or at least on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we should place our buying orders and set our sell targets according to the next resistance levels, or we can also wait for the long-term rally as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.